You're watching an indie game show production.
From the Game Shows Unlimited Studios at Lvws and Day Camp,
it's the Game Show Block Party
with Phil Manor and Mark Kurtz.
Hey Phil, you know what time it is?
Well, what time is that?
It's time for another episode of the Game Show Block Party.
Ooh, I got home just in time.
So sit back, relax, play along with us, and watch.
From the Mill Basin Game Show studio, it's the fast action game of numbers and luck, where any player can win 100,000 millbucks and $20,000 in cash. It's time to play Las Vegas Winning Streak with your host, Art Kurtz.
Thank you. We have two players, Sophia and Naomi. And Sophia, tell us about you. Today you lost your tooth, right? Okay. What happened? All right. Well, you might get money for that. All right. Anything else you want to say? What grade you're in? Okay. That sounds good. And Naomi, how about you?
I have one dog. I have a turtle.
Anything else? All right. You both cut your cards, right? With Biana. All right. Now I have questions for you. And the first one to get two right will win the game. And the round and play your cards. And the idea is to tell me if the next card is higher or lower. So we'll reset the board. Hands on your buzzers. Here's your question.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, that will help me read, right? How many pounds make a ton? How many pounds? What do you think, Sophia?
I think like 5.
Not 5. Sorry about that. Do you know, Naomi?
Higher?
Well, in this, see, it's a little different. Naomi watches a show that looks like this on TV. So she didn't know. No, you have to buzz in and give me a number.
Higher.
Oh, no, a number.
10?
No, it's actually 2,000. 2,000 pounds is a ton. That's okay. Here's your next question. How many eggs are in a dozen eggs? Sophia?
12.
12 is right. Very good. You got 5 points. Naomi, you could tie it up. How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
4.
Not 4. Good guess. Sophia, you want to try it?
2?
2? No, it's actually 3. 3 teaspoons. Here's your next question. How many people walked on Mars? Sophia?
3.
No, not 3. Naomi? Want to guess?
10.
Not 10. Nobody walked on Mars. Nobody's been there yet. Okay, here's your next question. How many sides are on a standard stop sign? Sophia?
6.
No, good guess. Not 6.
5.
No, 8. 8 sides. How many boroughs are in New York City?
5.
5 is right. Sophia, you won the round, and you won 1,000 Robux for that. And you get to go first. And you got a king. Now, if you want, you could change the king.
I don't want to change it.
You want to keep the king? Tell me if the next card is higher or lower.
Lower.
Lower than a king, it's a 3. You could keep going or you could freeze.
I'll keep it.
You want to keep playing? All right, higher or lower than 3?
Higher.
Higher than 3, it's a 6. Now you could keep playing, or you could freeze right there. We'll take a break and go to another question.
Go to another question.
All right, we're going to do that right after this word. So don't go away. We'll be right back.
camp, I learned to make lasting friendships with people I still keep in touch with today.
Because of camp, I learned about self-esteem.
Because of camp, I play guitar.
I learned to be a team player.
I learned about diversity.
Because of camp, I am sending my kids to camp this summer.
I learned how to play guitar, I learned how to canoe, I learned how to fish.
I learned that I was the best Tarzan yeller in the camp.
Because of camp, I became a counselor.
I learned how to take care of the environment.
Because of camp, I learned to navigate the world.
I was good in school for a whole year so that I could go back to camp.
Because of camp, I got a personality. Now I'm...
Because of camp, I turned out just fine.
Some of our players may receive Jubilee Kitchen Wax. The classic favorite is back, and your appliances will celebrate. Give your appliances a showroom shine with Jubilee.
Don't bring me back. Don't bring me back. Don't bring me,
Please don't bring me back this cheese.
Maybe short caviar.
Mango.
Please, all your products may be seized. It is illegal to bring certain foods from outside the European Union when you've been away.
This is to reduce the risk of exotic diseases and pests entering the UK.
Don't bring me back.
Don't bring me back.
Don't bring me cheese or risk of exotic disease.
Maybe short caviar. Mangoes.
Please don't bring any.
Illegal foods can carry diseases like foot and mouth and bird flu. Break the law and your food will be seized, causing you delays and possible prosecution.
Okay, we're back, and Naomi, this will be the type of the game that you're familiar with. I'm going to ask you a question, and you're going to give me a number. Actually, Sophia is going to give me a number, and you're going to say higher or lower, okay?
Okay.
All right, so here's your question. For Sophia. How many people live in New Jersey, Sophia?
8,100,000.
Say it loudly in the microphone. So
8,100,000.
8,100,000. Naomi, higher or lower?
Higher.
Naomi says higher. The number of people that live in New Jersey is?
8,938,000.
And what did she say? 8,500,000. So I think Naomi just got it by a little bit. Right, just by a little bit, Naomi got it. Because you said 8,500,000 or something. It was just a little higher. Naomi, you were really close, Sophia. You get to see your blue card, and you got a 6. Now you want to change the 6. Naomi watches a game that's a little like this, so she knows how to play. You change to a 5.
Higher.
So you know that that's better, right?
Higher.
She says higher than a 5. A 10.
Lower.
Lower than a 10. A 3.
Higher.
Higher than a 3. A 6. Now you could win the game on this last card.
Freeze.
You want to freeze. So we go into one last question. And this time, Naomi gets the question this time. And here it is. Let me get you a good question, Naomi. Naomi, here's your question. How many Starbucks locations are, this is Naomi's question. How many Starbucks locations are there, Naomi?
15.
She says 15. Sophia, higher or lower?
Higher.
Higher than 15. The number is?
23,768.
Much higher than 15. Sophia, this was the last question of the game. You have a 6. You could change the 6 and play the last 2 cards, and if you get them both, you win. But if you make one mistake, then Naomi will win, or you can pass to Naomi, and she would need to guess the 6 right to win the game.
Could I change it though?
You could change it if you want, but you would have to get them both right to win. since it's the...
Pass it.
Or you could pass it to Naomi and she needs the 6. If she makes a mistake, then you win, but if she gets it, she wins.
I'll change it.
You want to play it yourself? Okay, and you want to change it? Okay, she's changing it to an 8. Higher or lower than an 8? You have to play it.
Lower.
Lower. Yes, it's lower. It's a 5. Now you win the game, Sophia, if you tell me if this is higher or lower than 5.
Higher.
Higher than a 5. If it's higher, you win, Sophia. If not, Naomi wins. It is higher. Sophia wins the game. Naomi, we have 500 $500 for you. And you get to keep your name tag. All right? That's not terrible. And we'll be back with Sophia right after this.
Because of camp, I learned to make lasting friendships with people I still keep in touch with today.
Because of camp, I learned about self-esteem.
Because of camp, I play guitar.
Because of camp, I am sending my kids to camp this summer.
I learned that I was the best Tarzan yeller in the camp.
Because of camp, I got a personality. Now I'm...
Because of camp, I turned out just fine.
Hey, I want to wish all of our fans a really happy Tu B'Shvat. Monday is New Year for trees, so go out and have some fruit on Tu B'Shvat this coming Monday. And also, Saturday, January 19th, is National Popcorn Day. So if you're watching us on Friday, get out that popcorn for tomorrow. And if you're watching us Saturday morning, go and enjoy a bucket of popcorn while you watch the game show Block Party. We'll have more game shows coming up next.
What makes you happy?
It's a corner of America, a picture from our past. It's quiet towns and rolling hills where time slows down at last.
The spirit of Massachusetts is the spirit of America. The spirit of the red, white, and blue. The spirit of Massachusetts is the spirit of America. The spirit that we want to share with you.
Okay, we're back, and Sophia won the game. Won first round also. And now you're going to play the Gold Rush. Numbers on the board, and you can keep picking until you either get 3 golds, find all the numbers except the stop sign, or get the stop sign, then you would lose everything. Now I'm going to start you out with a gold chip. You could keep that gold chip, or you could, and that's $1,000 You could stop right now. You don't have to pick a number, because if you get the stop sign, you lose the 1,000. You'll have 4,000, or you could pick a number and...
I'll pick a number.
All right, pick a number.
8.
Number 8 has a gold. Now you have 2 golds. You have $1,000 if you stop. You have 2,000 actually, if you want to stop. But 1 more gold, you'll play the dice. All right. But if you get the stop sign, you lose the 2,000.
5.
5 has green. Now you doubled your 2,000 to 4,000. If you stop, you'll have $6,000. If you go and you get the stop sign, you lose the 4,000.
I'll keep going.
Okay. Pick again.
6.
6. Green. Now you have $8,000 if you stop. Plus the 3,000 from before is 11,000. If you go and you get the stop sign, you lose the 8,000. So you could stop right now if you want.
I'll stop.
All right, she's stopping with $8,000. And that's all the time we have. So we will see you next time on Las Vegas.
is illegal to bring certain foods from outside the European Union when you've been away.
This is to reduce the risk of exotic diseases and pests entering the UK.
Don't bring me back.
Don't bring me back.
Don't bring me cheese or risk of exotic disease.
Fish or caviar, mangoes.
So please don't bring any.
Illegal foods can carry diseases like foot and mouth and bird flu. Break the law and your food will be seized, causing you delays and possible prosecution.
Thank you very much. And if I didn't thank you, Momo, thank you for that costume.
No
I would have
problem.
been at Halloween without a costume because we just taped Halloween. And now we have kind of like a standard episode. So we have somebody in the money machine. Are you ready to grab bills? You have 30 seconds. Ready? Go. All right, we will get him out of the machine. We'll find someone else to go in the machine. Remember, our money machine winner gets 2,000 Milbucks, and we'll be back with Black or Red right after this.
But even if the death penalty did reduce crime rates, would it then be acceptable?
It's a corner of America, a picture from our past. It's quiet towns and rolling hills where time slows down at last.
The spirit of Massachusetts is the spirit of America. The spirit of the red, white, and blue. The spirit of Massachusetts is the spirit of America. The spirit that we want to share with you.
All right, we're back. We're talking about the English language. Because I teach English at Kingsborough Community College. But anyway, we have our first play. We're going to play Black or Red. We have a brand new person in the money machine that's going to hang out and wait. And you know how to play the game, right? We have some people that don't. So you're going to show them how to do this. Now, all you have to do is guess each time if the first card is black or red. And you can keep doubling your money and doubling your money and doubling your money. But if you make a mistake, you lose everything. So you can stop whenever you want. So we're going to do something a little new today. I'm going to start you with 100 Milbucks for just nothing, just because we're nice. Do you want to stop with 100 and not even play, or do you want to go for 200?
Let's go for 200.
All right, because we want to build up those jackpots. Okay, so for 200 Milbucks, black or red?
Red.
Red. Red. Now you have 200. You want to go for 400?
Let's do it.
All right, black or red?
Let's go black.
Black. You got 400 now. Want to go for 800?
I'll stop.
400. Stopping, playing it safe. Good job. All right, next player. All right, and you are?
Aiden.
Okay, first card, black or red?
Red.
Ah, sorry about that. Oh. Who are you?
Christian.
Okay, we're giving you 100 Milbucks to start. Do you want to play? You want to start? You have the right to stop with 100, but this will be for 200. Black or red?
Red.
Red. Oh, sorry about that. Ah, you saw how to play this, right? Okay, and you can keep doubling. I mean, if you're really lucky, You can keep doubling. Come in a little bit so we get you in the camera. There you go. See you right there. And I want to assure you, when this is on TV, it's in living color. Who are you?
Max.
All right, black or red? First card.
Red.
Red. All right, let's see if that strategy works. You are?
Danny.
First card, black or red?
Black.
Okay, you got 100. Let's see what we... Keep going?
Yeah.
Black or red?
Black.
Keep going. This is for 400. All right.
Stop.
You're going to stop with 400. All right. All right. They were shuffled, but you never know where they're shuffled.
Matthew.
Okay, first card, black or red?
Red.
Red. It is red. 200 millbucks. Stop.
I'll go.
Black or red?
Black.
Black. Now you have 400 millbucks if you stop.
Stop.
Stopping with 400, and we will be back with our money machine right after this. We're back, and we have our second money machine person. Are you ready? 30 seconds, go. All right, get that in the bag. It looks like he did pretty well. We'll count out his bills. We have someone else going in the machine and more game show party right after this.
Chocolate, vanilla, cinnamon, apple, honey, and berry blend, strawberry, wildberry, tangerine, mango, raspberry, wintergreen. That's how you make cancer sweet. Why do they make tobacco taste sweet? Oh, why do they make tobacco taste sweet?
All right, we're back. We have a price war while we count out those money machine bills, and we have...
Everett.
And?
Carl.
We're going to talk about... he said your name. We're going to talk about this item, and we're going to describe it, and then I'll see who won the toss, and you're going to decide if you want to go first or second, and whoever gets the price right will win 2,000 millbucks. But let's find out what this is first.
18 feet of Reynolds Wrap aluminum foil. Keep food fresh with Reynolds Wrap.
Okay, it's like aluminum foil wrap for your food. You can even cook with it. Who's going to go first? I'm going to get who's, let's see, which one, left or right? This one? Okay. You want to go first or second?
First.
Since you won the toss. How much you think that is?
I think this is probably $5.75.
I'm going to tell you the price is lower.
$3.88.
Lower.
Probably $3.70.
Lower.
$2.70.
Let me double check. It is lower.
$1.
Higher.
Oh, $2.
Higher.
$2.29.
Lower.
$2.70.
Lower.
$105.
Higher.
$2.06.
Higher.
$2.25.
Lower.
210.
Lower.
207.
Higher.
209.
You got it! Yes! It was $2.09. We'll be back with our Money Machine winner, 2,000 Millbucks, right after this. Some of our players may receive Juji Fruits, the chewy, fruity candy that will simply leave you speechless. If you want to get in the game, join the fun at Mill Basin Day Camp. Call us at 718-251-6200. For other locations that our game shows appear, check out our Facebook page at The Game Show Block Party. And we'll be right back.
Turn us on, we'll turn you on. We'll light up your days and nights. Turn us on, we'll turn you on.
It's a corner of America with cozy harbor towns. It's salty air, wicker chairs, and a surf that pounds.
The spirit of Massachusetts is the spirit of America. The spirit of the red, white, and blue. The spirit of Massachusetts is the spirit of America. The spirit that we want to share with you.
All right, we're back, but we're out of time. We have enough time to announce the Money Machine winner, this gentleman right here, 2,000 Millbucks. But we thank each of you for playing. You're not going to go away empty-handed. You have 100 Millbucks at 100 Millbucks. We thank you for watching, and don't forget, like us on Facebook, because if you like us, we'll like you too. See you next time on the Game Show Block Party.